why we do these lectures is quite simply to motivate people to stay in our industry, get involved in our industry, and do well in our industry. Well, do it right first time. Now there's a topic. Is all that come flooding back to our minds is what we didn't do right the first time.
I had the very simple task of going to cut some Cat 6 cable. I had to go and cut 40 metres. I cut it at 30 metres, but luckily there was another part of the boat which needed the same cable. Almost got away with one really.
What's interesting for me looking back now is just, it is such a steep learning curve. You get instant feedback, some of it good, some of it not so good. And I put a lot of how I am now as a designer down to what I learned in these early days.
So what do I mean when I say an e-foiler? So an electric foiling vessel. Red Funnel has signed an agreement to operate one of our ferries out of Southampton and do the Southampton-Cowes route.
So I'm going to try and go over live to Barcelona to speak to Matt Sheehan, and he does a program called Planet Sail. And if any of you have been watching it, it's a great way of keeping up with the America's Cup and what's happening in Barcelona at the moment.
It's been an extraordinary event so far, very compressed and very intense with so much going on.
And I think for a young person on our apprenticeship scheme, when you're learning about high voltage, and we send them on a lot of courses around high voltage management, around composites, you are really looking at enabling technologies for decarbonisation, which we know over the next 50 years is going to be a growth area.
Whether you're an army brat or you come from a council house, a country mansion, it doesn't matter. Just get stuck in, work hard, and the rewards will come to you.
Thank you all for coming, and thank you also to your employers for making the support that you need to get here. It's been great fun having you here, and we look forward to having a chat shortly. Thank you all very much.